Hi, chubby little monster. Hi. Hello. Where are you going, puppy? Hello. Hello, little ones. What is that, a quaff?
You don't need to shave them. You don't need to shave them.
Now, those aren't like Mama's nipples. You're not gonna get any juice out of there. What are you two doing back there?
What are your brothers and sisters doing? You want to get them? You want to get them?
You don't have any teeth, you poor thing.
Look at you wag your tail. What the heck's going on? What are all these things? What's going on? What's
He's
going
not even quite sure how to
There you
wag
go.
his tail. What do you need? What do you need? You just need some attention.
You're so awkward. Whoa. What are you doing?
Here's recording. Take some.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Here, honey.
What are you
Come
doing?
here. What's
What are you
come
doing?
here.
Oh.
Come here. Okay. There we go.
You coming back here?
To me, they all look
coming
like
back?
girls.
Yeah, that's why I was feeling stupid.
What is this? Is this